name is Ghanshyam Ahire. I am from Dhule. Currently, I am in Pune. I have done my graduation in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from R.S. Sapat College of Engineering in 2020. After lots of searching, I came to the iTpreneur for to do the courses like full stack Java development course. Inside that, I had done web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular, core Java, advanced Java, some server side courses like MySQL server, SQL server, and Oracle server. I had done a real-time project from iTpreneur, and recently I got placement in one of the best MNC from iTpreneur. I would like to thank Avdut sir for to clear all my doubts and clear my basic concepts. I would like to thank Vinayak sir. I would like to thank Viraj sir and all placement team from iTpreneur. Thank you.